Matagal nang patay si Joy. It's not as if you're being unfaithful to her. Naging tayo nga when we were in the US, remember? Remember?
Iba yon. Iba rin ngayon. I don't want to be unfaithful anymore.
Unfaithful? Unfaithful to whom? Sa Carolina na naman na yun? Damn you! Damn you, Wilfred! Hanggang kailan mo ba ako sasaktan? Hanggang kailan? Wilfred, she deceived you! She ruined your life. She ruined your family. Baka nakakalimutan mo. Pero siya pa din? Siya pa din yung iniisip mo? Habang ako, wala akong ibang ginawa kundi pagtrabahuhan yung pagmamahal mo. And all I got is what? What? Rejection after rejection! Nakakasawa na! Nakakapagod na! Bakit hindi mo ko kayang mahalin, Wilfred? Bakit hindi mo ko kayang mahalin?